I'm Doug Chandler, and today I'm going to review for you the Blusmart bike lock. Okay, so today I've got this Blusmart lightweight heavy duty bike lock to review. Let's have a look. It comes in a nice carry case bag. Inside you get the lock, some instructions, and a bike mount. It goes on the bike to carry this. First impressions are it's sturdy, well made, it's not going to fall apart. So it's 180 centimeters in length, 12mm wide cable. It weighs 460 grams, comes with a 12-month warranty. It's got a 5-digit code combination lock, which has got 100,000 combinations, so it's got extra security there. There's no keys to lose. The action feels really good, really secure. The whole thing feels really well made. It's a good click on the combinations. So changing the combinations is really easy. We just turn this, set the new combination. Really easy to use. Doesn't feel like it's going to be easy to pick. Can't really feel when it's on the right combination. The other good thing about it is it returns back to its shape each time. So this can hang on the bike like that. Comes off really easy. So really easy to carry. Comes with a carry case. Easy to mount on the bike. So in summary, it's a really decent lock. Heavy enough to be sturdy, but light enough to carry around with you. Should be a good deterrent for any bike thief. Hope you've enjoyed that.